Key learning objectives. In this course, the objectives are about making everything as dynamic as possible. We're going to start by setting up dynamic time periods for the model. Then we're going to look at how to create dynamic financial statements that can be adjusted based on time periods. Then we're going to learn how to make the analysis dynamic. That means the formulas and functions use combinations that allow us to retrieve information and analyze the financial statements. Then we'll look at dynamic tables, data tables, and pivot tables that can be used to further analyze the information. Then we'll look at our outputs. That means making dynamic charts that automatically update based on how many time periods we have. And finally, we'll look at recording macros and see how we can use them to speed up manual functions that we can automate. About this course is designed for professionals in investment banking, equity research, financial planning and analysis, or corporate development, where advanced Excel modeling is critical. We're going to be using Excel 2016, but it will also work for versions of 2013 and 2010. This course builds on CFI's Excel Crash Course. We assume you already know the basics, which are the shortcuts and the standard formulas and functions in Excel. We're going to be creating advanced functions and formulas by combining what we covered in earlier courses, so even experts will learn a lot in this course.